You're watching Telecom TV's coverage of Mobile World Congress 2015. I'm joined now by Shlomo Wolfman, who is CTO and co-founder of StarHome Mac. Shlomo, tell me more about the operator services that your company offers.
So StarHome Mac is a global company, exists for 15 years already, and we are removing the barriers to create a globally connected mobile world.
You say you're removing barriers, but what are these barriers?
Okay, so the barriers has to do with two main domains. One of them is international travelers, business travelers and tourists, and the other domain, we'll get to it, is M2M and Internet of Things. When it gets to the travelers and tourists, first we virtualize the user experience, which means when you go abroad, use another network, not all the functions works for you seamlessly. We make sure it works for you seamlessly, provide you a campaign to enable you to purchase a roaming package if you need, control your usage, and actually do whatever you do like you are at a home network.
So why is roaming traffic so important to operators?
Roaming is extremely important to operators because it has to do with lucrative subscriber segments that they have that are going abroad, mainly business travelers. It has to do with the fact that it's more profitable business segment, and it has to do with the fact that if something goes wrong, and here we are, it's a disaster because they have no control to take care of it. So today what we do, in addition to the user experience tools, we also provide them tools to manage the network traffic, to do steering of roaming, quality of service management. We also do the clearing for them, which means the settlement of billing records. And on top of that, we provide them business management and business analytics that, based on big data technologies, enables them to actually control their business from one place.
You mentioned big data. How can operators better use data analytics?
I'll give you some examples. A lot of their roamers are what we call silent roamers. They activate the phone, they generate cost to the operators, but no revenues. Because they're afraid of roaming, they don't know how much it's going to cost them, etc. Our big data analytics system discover those silent roamers, segment them, and offer the operator a way to do campaign to encourage them to use roaming in different ways, either by providing them voice, SMS, and mainly data package. That's one example. The other example has to do with quality of service. As I said, you may be now using other network in a remote country and you have a problem. Your home operator has no idea that you have a problem, and if you want to take care of it, you don't know whom to call. So it's a global issue that we, based on our analytical system, analyze anomalies behavior in the signaling networks and in other aspects of the network, and we provide the operators visibility where does he have quality of service issues.
And as the market grows, how do you expand your services from personal mobile devices to M2M and Internet of Things?
So actually, the way I say it is that the market of IoT and M2M is reaching our domain and not vice versa. And here is my point. Today, when you talk about human, it's between 5 and 10% of the mobile users are doing roaming. When it gets to M2M and IoT, with a cellular connectivity, it's much higher percentage. Why? One may think it's because of cars that are moving between countries, but this is not the case. The real case is global supply chain and logistics. So a manufacturer of a refrigerator would assemble it in one country, insert SIM cards of a global carrier, and those fridges are going to be distributed and shipped to all sorts of different countries with no control of the vendor. He still wants to be connected to those devices. So he needs a global connectivity method. So today when we talk to active M2M mobile carriers, they would say 70, 80, or even 90% of their business has to do with roaming of M2M. So our solutions fits very well to the scaling up network traffic. We provide network solutions and so global connectivity solutions to mobile carriers to better handle and scale up with this growing M2M business.
Shlomo Wolfman, thank you very much.
Thank you.